Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if anybody noticed, but I closed the last video 30 seconds ago, even though it's been weeks. We took a little break, right?
We did.
So we finished this room in the last video. Well, I shouldn't say finished this room. We finished the flooring in this room, finished the lights in this room, finished the paint in this room. But we still have a lot of stuff to do, and the video was kind of getting lengthy with all the stuff that we had kind of chipped away at. So our goal, now that we took a couple weeks off, to get some family time in and just look at that. Our pool machine is stuck. I don't know if you guys know, it's having a hard life.
Did you bring that to use the camera?
I did. Anyways, Chantel went out and fixed that for us, so now we can stop getting distracted. I don't know if you guys noticed, but our fence actually fell over too, and then our pool, we had an issue with the pool, so we had to drain the pool over the last couple weeks. So we just had a lot going on, and that's why we kind of took a break. Obviously, we said we had a party too. So now that we kind of have some downtime, we're gonna try to get back to things. In the last video, we got the flooring done in here, we got the lights done, and then the main thing that like really kept me from doing this like during the week is I wanted to run some speaker wire, because we're going to be putting our TV in here, and you know, we have speakers, so we want to obviously have that stuff all pre-run. So we're going to go under the house today and try to run a couple speaker wires. What else? We got to put the baseboard in, we got to swap some outlets, we got a door, we picked up a door, and that's going to go for this door here. We're trying to slowly replace all of those, so we'll do that. The goal is to get this room like totally done this weekend, so we can like move our couch, our
actually make it a
stuff.
living room now.
Yeah, make it a living room so we can hang out in the kitchen, hang out in the living room, and kind of keep an eye on the kids.
What
and
our
all that good
handy
stuff.
event covered so that no injuries hopefully.
No more fatalities on the floor. So that being said, I think we're gonna start with just probably going under the house just to see what that looks like and see what we need, and we'll check back in. Am I in? Yeah, I think we're in. Hopefully it's not on the outside of the house. We got our 3 holes drilled. I don't know if you guys could tell when we were doing the clips there, but we drilled the one that's gonna be under the TV. So we're gonna run, would that be 1, 2, just the 2. So we're gonna run 2 wires, one from here to that corner, and then one from here to that corner. And then from there, we'll try to fish them somehow through the wall, pop them up out top. And I think we're gonna temporarily wire them in for now. We bought boxes so we could put like a actual like banana clip like terminations, but we couldn't find any, we couldn't find the right stuff.
Yeah,
so
the store was letting us down.
Yep, so we're gonna have to order everything on Amazon, I guess. I don't know if we said it already, but we're gonna run the wire through here real fast, and then we might build a little cabinet, like just something temporary, because eventually we wanna put in like a big built-in here, but that's kind of a pricey
Yeah, add it to the list of projects.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that later, but for now, we had some old like finished plywood, so we'll do that maybe next. But for now, I guess I'll go under and try to fish that through, and you can be my flashlight assistant to help me find the wire.
Sounds riveting.
I know. we have our 2 pieces of wire cut. I'm gonna send Chantel into the house.
Not happening.
I'm gonna go into the house and Chantel's gonna feed me the wire. We're gonna run those 2 and we'll be right back. Wish me luck. We're gonna try something here. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I was gonna originally put boxes up top where the speakers are with our connectors, but I feel like it'd be cleaner if we could just put a small hole and punch the wire through. So we're gonna take some of this, yeah, we'll take some of this glue, a lot of this glue apparently, and we're gonna take this little guy, spray our activator. We're gonna glue that guy on there. There we go. I think it's on there. Then we're gonna take another magnet. Let's see if this works. It looks like an Apple charger.
Is it working?
All right, so we're gonna try this again. First off, we just broke one of the magnets off the camera. We're gonna try to do it one more time. This time with string. We tried doing it with the wire directly, but the wire I think is just too heavy. So we'll try with string. We'll get the string up there. I'm also gonna use a little tape so we don't waste the magnet. We'll do that. Okay. Put a little activator on this guy. Stick our string on there. Should dry pretty quick. Okey-dokey. No. That's the point, see? When it's something light like a string, it'll move right up.
Right, and you're just gonna tie it to the wire?
Is there a block right here?
Maybe, is that what it is? That's where we got stuck earlier, it seems like.
Now we should be able to just cut our string. Fingers crossed this goes exactly as expected.
As everything does, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. We'll just tie a knot, we'll make this easy. Yeah, we could use electrical tape, but... Oh, you know what, we can't. Yeah, we can. We'll just do this. We're only going up for a sec here. Just tie a little basic knot like that. Pull this up to here. Right there. It's fine. Take this guy out. Pull our string. Pull our wire. Slip that up in there. And now our wire's halfway up the wall. Right? And we should have enough slack under the house. Now the question is going to be, this one we'll probably have to use tape on. So let me go grab some tape. I'll be right back.
It was right about here where our camera died, right before getting the wire pulled through. This portion of the project took us way longer than expected. Most of the day we spent troubleshooting through little obstacles, just trying to make things work. As luck would have it, the 3 walls of this room were all exterior, meaning we found that fun blocking everywhere that a speaker was going.
know, it's funny, these little day projects that we have, we always kind of assume like, okay, well, it's gonna take some time, we'll knock it out. But you know, sometimes we have our list of things to go through. And today, for example, we had wiring first thing on the list, and we ran into quite a few issues with that. So we're just gonna keep plugging along, but we're gonna end this video off here. Tomorrow, we're gonna be working on making a cabinet, like a stereo cabinet that's gonna go under our TV. Nothing crazy. We had some scraps in the garage, so we're excited to kind of share that little project. And that'll be what we work on in the next upload. And hopefully, you know, just keep plugging along with this project and get it done sooner than later. But if you guys are enjoying this series, we'd appreciate a lot if you could give us a thumbs up. Of course, we love hearing the feedback down in the comments as well. And if you guys want to follow us along kind of on this little DIY journey that we're going on, feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.